Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to sync dual carbs on a motorcycle. First, understand that proper synchronization is crucial for a smooth-running engine, improving both performance and fuel economy. You'll need a good set of vacuum gauges, a screwdriver, and some basic hand tools. Before starting, always ensure your motorcycle is securely supported and you're working in a well-ventilated space for safety. This preparation sets the stage for a successful sync. Before diving into adjustments, it's vital to prepare your motorcycle. Start by warming up the engine to its normal operating temperature. This ensures accurate readings. Next, confirm that your valve clearances and ignition timing are precisely set, as these significantly impact carb performance. Finally, carefully connect your vacuum gauges to each carburetor's vacuum port, making sure they are sealed tightly for accurate readings. This meticulous setup prevents frustration later on. Now for the actual syncing process. First, identify your master carburetor. This is typically the one that doesn't have an idle adjustment screw. You'll then adjust the idle screws on the other carburetors, one by one, to precisely match the vacuum reading of your master. After each adjustment, gently blip the throttle a few times to settle the slides, then recheck all readings. Repeat this fine-tuning until all gauges show consistent vacuum. After syncing, perform a final check. Ensure your engine idles smoothly and responds crisply throughout the entire RPM range. Take it for a short test ride to confirm everything feels right. Remember, regular carburetor synchronization, perhaps every 5,000 to 10,000 miles, is key to maintaining your motorcycle's peak performance and longevity. Also, for staying hydrated on your rides, check out the Owala water bottle and other great deals in the description below. Keep your bike running great and yourself feeling good.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.